Well, apparently we got a phone call about some bees stuck in a garage, and it's a cement garage, so that's really good. But I sussed it out the other day and it's got some weatherboards where they've crawled in behind them. So we're going to go and see if we can pull the nest out. I don't know, we've moved from swarms to nesting bees. It's kind of ridiculous. I think I've become the bee whisperer. I feel a bit like Robert Redford in that Horse Whisperer movie, but I'm whispering to the bees. What a stupid idea that is. Except the bees aren't that blooming interested in being whispered to, I don't think. Here we are in downtown Loxton, trying to rescue some bees out of a shed. Or out of a, well, I guess it's a shed, yeah, the carport. As you can see, the little suckers are having a good time here. But this should be interesting. We'll try not to wreck the poor people's house. That's a good start. Hi, there she blows. It's a nice brood going. Well, you probably, can you see the little laying pattern she's got going on here? She's going good. This is a bit of sugar water. Hopefully just to chill them out a little bit. It's going to fall off, so we might just take that. That's a little bit of the normal brood comb. They haven't got much honey in here, they've just got all breeding stock. So we're just going to try and get the whole nest apart. So we'll drop the queen in this box. Hopefully. Looks like it's going to fall off. Hopefully they're not cooked. Oh, luck now, Your Majesty, where the hell are you? This is where it gets very interesting. We'll work out where she is. Just pop those bits in that aren't really overpopulated at the moment. Ah! Damn it! That wasn't convenient. Pretty likely she's in here. But we'll find out in a minute. I got some fishing wire this time to see if we can't hook them to the frames a bit more efficiently. Wow, she's breeding beautiful. I hope we do catch her. That's a few nurse bees in there. Hello, everybody's happy. Not. Now, Your Majesty, where do you run up the wall here anywhere? Hopefully not. That would suck. They're not doing much of a job of getting honey, but shit, they're breeding good. Now for the ridiculous idea. Help! Look at us go! Wow. I think we've upset them. See, normally I try to chuck them in there, but that was not really worked out. But I reckon we might have her anyway, because see how they go on her a bit more. Here we go for an experiment. Very high tech. They're not going going in there real much. The catching part's working. We're getting in the box. I think we need a bigger hole. I think we might have got her anyway by the look of this reaction, because you see how they're clustering on the box here? They're either that or they're just the nurse bees chasing the brood comb. So, but we'll muck around here for a little while, because the cool thing is the queen bee can't fly once she's in here all pregnant and stuff. Because apparently when they get old and the worker bees want her to swarm, they chase her around the hive for a week or so to get her skinny enough to fly. See how crazy is that? I think I need a bigger funnel. This bit works good. It's like any project, you see, you get some ideas that go good and other ideas that are just stupid. But the actual catching box seems to work quite good. You shake them to the back and then they stay in there a bit. These are all returning worker bees, so they're a little bit feisty. I think we might just forget this idea and tip the funnel in there. Look at them all. Well, there's a couple rolled in there. Well, I think my funnel was an epic fail, but I reckon we've got a reasonable amount of brood in here. You see all the girls are congregating on the lid, and they look a little bit like when you catch a swarm, and because when you catch a swarm they're like this, they're everywhere, then they start coming back together. So I think we'd be right. But I reckon we might just prop it up a fraction with this little twig here and go down the street, and we'll come back and grab them. I haven't even got excited. I haven't really even tried to sting us. Well, here we are back in the dark after you've seen us pull this thing apart. I'm just thinking I'm just going to flick these last few girls into the box, because we wouldn't want to leave them behind, because look at them, poor little darlings. We've moved their nest into this box. See how cool is that? There's not too many left. Okay, let's put these up in the ute. Take them home. Yeah. Sweet bee, home we go. Give this a... Oh, he's trying to get bitten again. Oh, they're just getting bitten. They're getting a little bit towy. Well done. How good is that? I reckon we've got more than 80%. Can you hear that? How cool is that? Shave and a haircut. Boom, boom.